So, hello everyone. You join me here casually chilling in my conservatory. But basically, this is a two-in-one creeper slash crawler thing that I've got from eBay. I thought I'd do a quick video while I'm installing it together and then reviewing it very quickly for you guys, because I'm going to be looking at using it for many of my projects in the future. So let's jump right into the video. So we've got some more stuff that's arrived, so time to get opening. Excuse the fact that I'm doing this on a mattress, but right, let's open some of these up. And this one is, oh, this is for my nieces. This is, yeah, that's fine. Oh yeah, I got this from my uncle, so I hope he likes it. I'll drop that off to him later. This one. So far, two things that have been opened are not even for me. They're for other people that I've got gifts for. But let's see what this one could be. I don't think I got any more gifts for anyone else. Hey, okay. Okay, this is definitely for me. Okay, it's not what I was hoping for. I was hoping for the new exhaust stuff for my 6 Series, but oh, it says it at the back. Why did I not read that? That's dumb of me. Right, I'm gonna make this up right now. It's gonna be really helpful. It's basically a two-in-one that I've got off eBay. So it's a crawler and it's also a seat. So you can see it's either like that, or you can flip it up and it can become a seat. I'll put the link for this in the description below, or I'll put a little card up right now so you can have a look at getting one of these. So yeah, right. Let's carry on the rest of the day. While I'm introducing and opening this up, I thought I'd let you guys know, if you are interested in any form of DIYs or anything like that, or loads of car work, check out my channel, because I'm currently building my E30 and I'm always going to be up to car things, just doing general DIY things like that. So make sure you hit subscribe, give me a like if you like the video or find it informative, and leave a comment for me if you have any opinions you want to share or questions or anything like that. So I'm just going to take out everything from here. I will leave a link in the video description below for if you guys do look at getting this yourself. So let's separate everything. I think it comes with all the tools that you actually need to put it all into place. So you basically get the nut going through, then it's got a washer going onto these ends, and you basically put it through on the points that it's showing here. So let's see. So that's Allen key related as well. It says I should have a locking pin here. Now I can't see a locking pin anywhere in this box or anything. Nope, no locking pin. Right, that's not a good start, because they should have given me that, because that is going to be... Oh no, wait. It's right here. Ignore the last couple of seconds. Ooh. Oh, it's like a spring-loaded locking pin. That's cool. So, right, okay. This part is the locking pin, so that's there. So we got this one coming through. putting the two wheels on that end, and I believe this should just come through here, I think. This bit's not very clear as to what I'm supposed to be doing. So I'm gonna guess this comes over here this way. This really isn't clear as to how to put it in. So this one is slightly easier, the head part. So you basically just put in the washer and everything, and you just screw the top part in. Voila, because there's nothing basically to go on through the other side. There's no nut to put in. You gotta kind of hold the top part here and not here, because otherwise it just spins basically. I'm just moving my whole hand to look like I'm moving the whole thing, but I'm basically just grabbing the top part there. So that's that. Now I think, if I'm correct, this is going to be for this side. Yeah, that looks about right. Doesn't really say much. I think I'm gonna put this washer there. So I managed to actually put it together. It wasn't very simple, I guess is the best way to put it. I had to figure out where things go. So I put the spring little washers onto here. I just need to tighten up these bolts. I don't think they need to be ridiculously tight because this is going to be a loose area. So the spring washer there, the main bolt going through, and then the nut on the other side. Same on here and same on the other sides as well. And best thing to do is put them into place first, and then you just come through and just tighten these up and put them all in. Now this is actually to do these two at the top, which I'm just going to tighten up right now. It's not actually for these here, but I've got my tool set which I can just use to tighten these up just a little bit more, just so it's a little bit secure. But right, let's test it out. Never actually. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, I could live with this. Hey. Right. So yeah, you could slide into some DMs with this now, or slide under your car. It's actually quite low. It's only about an inch, 2 inches off the ground. So that's quite good for if you are working in not a lot of area or anything like that. Glides nicely. Feels like, oh snap, now I'm going too far away. Okay, right, that's that part tested. Okay, so the pin, I think, locks into place for when it's in the seat position mode. Let's test this out now. Yeah, that's nice. This doesn't feel very comfortable at first, but I'm quite happy with this right now. You feel like you can actually have some faith in this. Now, I only weigh 60 kilos, so I'm not the heaviest of people, but I think it takes up to 150 kilos. But that's fine by me. That's all good. Awesome. So that didn't go as planned. If you guys did enjoy this video, then be sure to hit like, subscribe, click the link down below if you want to purchase one of these yourself. And I'll hopefully see you guys in the next video. But for now, peace out.